Hi friends, if you are in plan for making a website for directory and listing, and that too with booking facility, this video is for you. And choosing a directory WordPress theme is really a challenging task, and this video is going to be my 10th video in this category in fact, and I am happy to record this video as I got a wonderful theme for this category, that is on directory and listing WordPress theme. So this is Listio. This is Listio all-in-one directory and listing WordPress theme, and it is of course a very good theme. It comes with booking facility, so this is an add-on, and it has been made with Elementor, and it also supports the WooCommerce activities. So if you are in plan for monetize your website with e-commerce facility, this is going to be a very good catch for you. And Listio is all-in-one WordPress directory theme with front-end user dashboard, built-in booking system, private messaging, and many more gorgeous features. No paid extension and no coding knowledge is required for this theme, and this theme has been developed by the Pure Themes, and they are Power Elite authors, and they really make wonderful themes. And this theme Listio was created in 2019 only, and regular updates for this theme is also being done, so you can consider this theme as updated theme according to WordPress update, and it has got a wonderful number of sales as well. So the best rated directory and classified WordPress theme Listio is here, and in this video we are going to install the Listio WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will also preview the theme options. And you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know what features are available in the theme which you are going to decide for your website, and you must know about the features and the facilities with which you can handle your website. So this is the main objective of WP Themes channel as well, and this is the demo website using the Listio theme, and it is really good and having a very stunning and clear look. So it has all the features as I said, and it works very fast in fact, so you can see the speed. And this is the being the another demo website, and I'm going to add the link of these demos in the description of this video, and following that link you can also get the Listio all-in-one WordPress directory theme for your website. Just follow the link given in the description of this video, and let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack Listio as well. So in the theme pack I have documentation, some extras has been given, so evolution slider, licensing, the Listio main theme file, and the child theme file is here. For installing we have to go on the theme section of WordPress, and some advanced cache PHP. Okay, so that is not required in fact. Anyway, so click on add new, and choose file, and here you need to choose the listio.zip, and if you are having direct access on your server you can upload the theme directly on the WP content theme folder, and I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will be able to show you the theme file size, and the theme file size is a bit high as it may contain certain application plugins with it, and that is 24.72 MB in size. On an average I have seen the good themes comes around 15 to 20 MB in size, but it is fine, it is working fast as we seen on the website. And let it be uploaded first, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Listio folder, and it is really having multiple folders. This is why the theme file size was a bit high, and it got plugins as well. Okay, fine. So all plugins has been given here. Okay, so we got all the components here, and now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. We have already extracted the elements from it, and now we are fine to go in the theme section of WordPress again. And now we have Listio as another theme option, and it is Listio version 1.6.18, and this is directory WordPress theme by Pure Themes. We can activate it now. And upon activation, we got landed on the setup wizard page, and we can simply move ahead. Let us go, and it is activated, and let us go for next. Plugins are here, so installation required, all installations are required, and I am simply clicking on continue, and the installation of plugin has been begun. And it may take some time. It is showing everything what is going on, like auto complete WooCommerce orders success, and breadcrumb nav xt cmv2 verifying and success, activating plugin, and all things are going on. So we have to be on this screen until all the plugins gets installed, and the plugins are now installation of plugins are now about to complete, and Revolution slider is being installed now, and WooCommerce is also in queue, and all plugins you can see has been successfully installed. All success notices here, and it is a good setup wizard as I feel. And now we are on next page. It is default content option page, and it has all the option to select what we want to have as demo or default content, and it is already all checked. So I am just getting all and clicking on continue, and it is again getting media files and all such things from the developer servers, and it may take some time, and we have to be here without refreshing or leaving this page until it gets complete. And now the demo content part is about to complete, and all success messages here on the screen, and now it is moving to next, and logo is here. So I am using the default logo for the time being. You can use your own. And okay, so everything is fine. Layout of the blog, background, and all such things has been here. To change the sidebars, go to appearance, widget area, drag and drop, and all such things are here, so it is fine. And okay, so all help and support terms is here. Now it is good, and your website is ready. It says view our new website. Okay, so let us take a look of our website, how it looks. And it is really awesome. So we got all the contents except the images, I believe. So of course we are not going to use the demo images at our website, and we have to use our own, but it is really a wonderful experience of setting this theme. And home, all 6 home pages are here, and listing layouts with sidebars, user panel, dashboard. I'll show you some of the things. User dashboard is here. It is good. Okay, so it is the good thing which I found in the listing website. So user dashboard is here, and user can handle their listing, my bookings, messages, bookings and wallet, add listing. Okay, so it is wonderful interface, and I rate this theme as 5 star out of 5. And so for a listing website, it is really good that it has got all the features for users as well. And you can see all the my profile, bookmarks, coupons, my listings, add listings, wallet, bookings, pending, approved, and all such things are here. So you can use this theme for use features. And now again I'm coming to the dashboard and the website view. Okay, so let us take the look of website again. It is really wonderful. So home are here, listings, I'll show you the listing with sidebar, user panel I have already shown you, and some pages are here already, so we can use these pages. And listing with sidebar is here, and this is the one of the listing. And let us see the burger house, how it looks. The listing, the single listing is like this, and it is really a very professional look, and it has all the features. Now come to the dashboard, I'll show you the what options are available. So these are the options, and listing is here, all listings. And so all listing, add new categories, event categories, service category, rentals category, features and reasons. So I'll show you the fields of listing. And this is the listing page, which has all the fields: location, gallery, contact details, event fields, service field, rental fields, and all such things are here. And all details can be managed from this listing page itself, and it is really broad, so it is having all the components for listing. What is this? Availability, calendar is here. Okay, so it is very good, of course. And now testimonials are here. WooCommerce is by default here. Commissions, so commissions is something new. I'll show you what is this, and it is not being used, I believe, so you can use this just in case. And the setup wizard we have already used. Plugins, Listio editor. Okay, so add listing form. Okay, so it is for handling the core features. So Listio editor, listing fields. So okay, so listing fields can be edited from here, so you can decide your own fields. Okay, it is wonderful. And location fields, event fields, this is very important part, because you have to put your own fields. You might require to edit the fields and add or remove fields. So this is available in the Listio WordPress theme, and it is good feature, of course. And this is going to give you privilege to add listing forms and search forms, reviews criteria, user fields, registration fields, package manager, listing packages. Okay, so this is really good. And let us see what is saying in listing core. So it is a theme panel, in fact. So the theme panel is also having broad settings, general settings, map settings, submit listing, packages, options, single listing, bookings, browse listing, registration, pages, emails, and license. So everything is here, and slider evaluation and booking is also available here. So this is the booking page, and as of now there is no booking on this website. Okay, fine. So I may conclude that this is a wonderful theme for listing, and it has all the features, in fact, what you need in a listing website, and we got a wonderful website as well. So it is going to be a very good option for you if you are making a listing or directory website, and it is really having all the features like add listing is there. So okay, so you might have any questions, some questions regarding this theme, and just feel free to write in the comment section of this video, or you can follow the link given in the description of this video and start a discussion 1:1 with me, and I'll surely try to help you out just in case if you need, and you can get the theme following the link given in the description of this video. And I believe you have already subscribed this channel as well, so keep watching. Thank you.